dear students. Today we will talk about Unit 1, the third preparatory. Unit 1 talks about visitors to Egypt. Visitors to Egypt. Visitors means tourists who come from abroad. Today we will talk about the grammar of this unit. This grammar is talking about giving advice. We have two ways to give advice. Number one, should. Number two, shouldn't. After should and shouldn't, we use the infinitive, the verb in infinitive. Should is used for good things. Should is used for good things. Shouldn't is used for bad things. Look for these examples. Number one, you should study hard. You should study hard. As a student, to get high marks, you should study hard. Look here, should, study. Study is the infinitive without any additions. You should study hard. Number two, you should go to bed early. You should go to bed early. It's healthy to go to bed early. For bad things, we use shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't walk too much in the sun. You shouldn't walk. You know the meaning of walk. You shouldn't walk too much in the sun because it's bad for you. Number two, you shouldn't eat unhealthy food. You shouldn't eat unhealthy food because unhealthy food is bad for your health, as you should eat healthy food. Look here, shouldn't eat unhealthy food. This is giving advice. We have some choose sentences. Look here, for my dear students. You can guess the right answer. I will give you seconds to get the right answer. Number one, you shouldn't help your friends. Help, you know the meaning of help your friends. What will the answer be? Should or shouldn't? Help your friends. Try to think. The right answer is should. You should help your friends. You should help your friends. Number two, you shouldn't make noise in class. Noisy. You should make noise. Shouldn't make noise in class. What is the right answer? Try to think. Make noise in class. Should or shouldn't? The right answer is shouldn't. You shouldn't make noise in class. You shouldn't make noise in class. Number three. When we make a question using should, what should I do, did, to be fit? You should do exercise to be fit. Now, what should I do, did? What is the right answer? We said before that should and shouldn't, after them comes the infinitive. So we will choose do. Do is the right answer. What should I do to be fit? You should do exercise every day. Number four, people should. People should. Helping each other. People should. Helping each other. Try to think what is the right answer. The right answer is help, the infinitive. We choose the infinitive without any additions. People should help each other. Yes. Number five, students. You know the meaning of students. You are students. You are my dear students. Students shouldn't stay up too late at night. Stay up too late at night. Of course, the answer is shouldn't. You shouldn't stay up too late at night. You should sleep early. You should sleep early. You should go to bed early. As we said before here, you should go to bed early. This is a summary of the grammar point of giving advice using should or shouldn't, and we will have another thing to talk about. For example, we have many expressions that equal should. Should equals had better, had better, sorry, had better. Should equals ought to. Should equals if I were you, if I were you, I would. Should equals the best thing is to. The best thing is to. Should equals I advise you to. I advise you to. All these expressions we use the infinitive, the verb in the infinitive. For example, I advise you to study hard. I advise you to study hard. And we wanted to use should. We want to use should without changing the meaning of the sentence. Use should without changing the meaning of the sentence. Here we will omit. We will omit I advise you to, because it equals should. It equals should. Then you will say you should study. You should study hard. You should study hard. It's the same like I advise you to study hard. You should study hard. Another sentence. I will give you another sentence here. Number 2. The best thing is to eat healthy food. Is to eat healthy food. I ask you to use should. I ask you to use should. Should here equals the best thing to. Equals the best thing to. You can say you should eat healthy food. You should eat healthy food. Another sentence, and maybe the last one. You had better get up. You had better get up early. You had better get up early. Using should to give the same meaning, you will say we will omit you had better, because had better equals should. We will say you should get up early. You should get up early. And this is a summary of the grammar of the unit. I hope you understood what I said, and I am looking forward to meeting you in the next time. See you. Goodbye.